Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your iPhone and Apple Watch are paired and up to date so images sync correctly. Open Photos on your iPhone and pick a photo or a curated album you want on the watch. Once done, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled for automatic syncing. If not, prepare to sync manually through the Watch app or Finder. This sets the foundation so the watch can access the images. Now move directly to creating the face. You'll create the photo face in the Watch app or from the Photos app on your iPhone to control layout precisely. In Face Gallery, pick Photos, Photo Album, or Kaleidoscope depending on whether you want one image or rotating images. Then adjust zoom and position so the subject isn't cropped. Make sure complications like date and activity are set where you want them. Once satisfied, add it to My Faces. This ensures the face appears immediately on the watch and rotates as expected. You'll finish by confirming the new face is active on your Apple Watch and inspecting how images display during daily use. Syncing can take a few minutes, so keep both devices close and connected. If the photo doesn't show or is outdated, try toggling iCloud Photos, force closing the Watch app, or restarting both devices. These quick resets often resolve sync glitches. For persistent cropping problems, edit the photos crop in Photos, then recreate the face to ensure the subject appears correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.